Hey guys, this is Matt Core from ControlPaint.com, and this is a premium series all about custom brush design. If you've been looking at digital paintings for long, you've surely seen artists that make brush marks that look, well, they don't look like brush marks. Classically, these custom brushes are found wherever chains, leaves, grunge, or other sort of random details need to be painted. This series is going to look under the hood and see how those brushes are made. Because really, downloading another artist's brushes is nice. It's very convenient. But making your own set from scratch is awesome. Throughout this series, I'll explain a bunch of reasons why it's better in the long run. Now, if you only take one thing away from this series, it should be that a custom brush is your answer to a problem. So this summary has two parts. First, it's your solution. It may be really easy to find free brushes on the internet, but any brush that you design will inherently be a better fit for your challenge. The second part is that the brush is a solution to a problem. Some artists will get carried away with the act of creating brushes. It's kind of fun. So they'll just make a bunch of brushes that they may or may not have a need for. Well, this is like going into the hardware store without a list. You're arbitrarily buying tools because they look neat. Well, you're going to run out of money that way. The smart shopper goes into the store with a single tool they need because they need to fix a specific problem back at home. Well, the same should be true for your brushes. Only make a brush when you have a painting challenge that can't be solved more quickly with a different method. It should be a last resort. And if you're making brushes with this in mind, you're just less likely to run into this problem, where you've got hundreds of brushes to choose from and don't know where to begin your painting. It can be paralyzing. Photoshop has a robust brush system that allows you to create exactly what you're going for, as long as you know where to start. It can be overwhelming. To personally make some sense of custom brushes, I've grouped them into 4 categories: random scatter, linear repeat, basic texture, and stroke. And this series is going to walk you through the 4 major categories of brushes, each starting with a case study that needs to be solved. And along the way, we'll create a master brush for each category, which will give you a nice base that you can clone to make future brushes. It'll save you some time. Mainly though, this series will show you how to think in Photoshop terms. It's a lot different than thinking about traditional brushes. But once you've learned the rules, you'll be up and running in no time. So let's get to it.